a smudge of mystery. The clock is ticking, but the hands don't move. I'm stuck inside a deep and lonely